2019 Bowman Draft Jumbo. One box random team number 10. Good luck to everyone. Dice roll 6. 29 teams because we don't have any nationals. 6 on the dice roll. Perfect. Diamondbacks at the top. Phillies at the bottom. Should be 29. It is. Perfect. If you need any trades, let me know now. 2019 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Damn, dude, I just bet everyone on that in that game to just hit a home run. I bet you'll make out with some profit. It's already been 8 home runs. Crazy. Good luck, everyone. This is one box. Brent Rooker. Refractors of Ornelius and Young, and that is a sick Spencer Steer auto. That is 71 here. Beautiful. Twinsies and Brink. Wow. Is that normal decope or no? I feel like it's not. CJ. Nasim Nunez. Mano on the breakdown. 11. Not at all. Okay, I was going to say. What's going on here? Green paper piece for the Red Sox and Zephyrhan. Zephyrhan. Really? That's... And it's Steer. We saw... I don't remember who the last Sparkle Out, I'm going to call it, was that we saw, but it was not even close to the magnitude of Steer here. Let's go. Let's keep moving. This year, in this year's draft, it's like tough to tell what's chrome and not. Ryan Garcia refractor, Manoah refractor first. Twins. Jones here. Looks like a light blue refractor. Paper, 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 paper. Wow. So strange. Gerard's refractors of Devers, Jack Little. 30th Annie of Seth Beer. Grayson. Refractors of Yang and Gamble? Gambrel. Purple of Chase Strumpf. I was going to say, it might be awfully tough for Brink to sell that card. I don't think Brink's selling that card. Brink, you're not selling that card, brother. There's no way. If you did, I would be shocked. Dane Dunning. Burdick. Jack Kokonovics. Jack Kokonovics for the Angels here and Maggio. Beatty first. Refractors. Jackson Kowar. We're near like the halfway mark here. Let's get to it. Tons of paper. Shea, refractor first of Slayton and Marsh. Acevedo on the sky blue. Sorry. Joe Ortiz, Will. Kyron Paris for the Angels, back-to-back for Maggio here out of $4.99. It's Paris. Base of Jack. Refractor of Paris. Buddy. Sanford. No-go. And a Brewer Hicklin. For the Royals here, 25 out of 25 on Brewer. For Chris Sherlock there. Tommy Henry on the first. Agreed. I should have put another one in the store while I was waiting. TJ Sycamore. Wow. Matt Lugo. Light blue paper piece of Jack Little out of 499. George Kirby first. Blaze and Keone. Purple coming up. Fractor Weathers, purple of Vince Fernandez for the Rocks. He's got the Rocks here. Jimmy does. Jimmy's got the Rocks on the team color match. By the way, this is paper. It's a paper piece. These are so deceiving. Tatel Blade. And our paper. Let me top load here. Take care of our autos and let's give you the recap. Here's your recap. Light blue paper piece of Jack Little, purple piece of Vince Fernandez, and a green of Ryan. These are our chrome. Acevedo on the light blue, refractor, Strumpf, purple, Brewer Hicklin on the orange, 25 out of 25. To our autos we go. Jack Kokonovich, Kyron Paris, another one for Maggio, and for Brink, Spencer Steer, absolutely beautiful Steer, and the Twins uni goes to Brink by way of the Minnesota Twins. Who would have thought? What were the odds? Plus 4,500. 2019 Bowman Draft Jumbo 1 box random team number 10. Thank you so much.